Hello friends. So after installation of the Ubuntu VirtualBox, you have seen that the screen is not coming according to the width of the window. Okay, so it is small. So for that, what we need to do? So first, actually, we need to do this. We need to run this command. I have already run it. Sudo apt update. Okay, so then you need to run sudo apt upgrade. Okay, and then you need to run this command. I will paste this command into the comment section. Okay, so once all these three steps is done, now go here within devices, insert guest addition cd image, click here. So after clicking here, you can see that this will populate, this cd sign will populate. Now click here. So when you click here, this window will appear. Now right mouse click here and open in terminal. So if you click it open in terminal, then it will go to that particular vbox. Okay, within media that particular vbox will come. Now here you can see that one command vbox, vbox linux additions, linux additions dot run. Okay, this window you can see, right? This file you can see, right? So what we need to do, we need to run this. So for that, sudo dot slash vboxli linux additions dot run. Okay, so now give your password. So it will run this. Some of the mod installation will happen. Okay, so wait for a few minutes. Okay, so it is done. Now you can see the screen size become shrink. Now you need to click sudo reboot, sudo reboot, sudo reboot, enter. Okay, it will reboot the application. So after completion of that all the comments, what you need to do, just go to this view, and after clicking view, auto resize guest display. Okay, click this. Once you click this, you will see that the Ubuntu screen will come according to the full screen. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please let me know if you face any issue. Okay, thanks a lot.